This is the Saints, I'm Remy.
I'm Courtney.
I'm Fred. I'm Wilson.
This is our podcast on how things went for our project. The film went pretty good, editing went pretty good. We found some problems where at the end converting it to YouTube because it was too long and we didn't know when it would start and encode and stuff like that. We found hard with the transitions between different scenes.
As some scenes were like because we had to reshoot them, like the lighting was a bit off, so it wouldn't look as believable.
And on the camera was clicking, so we had to refilm a couple of times.
Yeah. Also meeting up.
That's hard.
Yeah, that
because
was a problem.
So like me, I have work. Remy has football. Courtney's like just busy sometimes, and then like his brother, like who was part of the film, also has football. So we had to also talk to him via Courtney whether he would be free or not. So that was quite difficult.
The most successful, I think, was the continuity in the actual film. Like the way we edited it, it looked like it just flowed. It looked natural. It didn't look like it was breaking or pausing or anything. It just flowed normally.
We had a bit of problems with the music. The music weren't as suspenseful as we wanted it to be.
In some places it didn't really work, like having a hip hop song walk in the garden.
Yeah.
When it needs suspenseful music to actually set the scene.
The one thing that's also successful was the point where me, Fred, in the film had like my eyes, tilted back, so then we like, I don't know, saved money on special effects. We didn't have to like put, I don't know, fake blood over me or something to make it look scary. I think that looked scary enough.
It looked like it was super.
As a group, I would say we've learned quite a lot in media. Firstly, us four have never used a Mac, so that was already a new thing that we learned. Secondly, we learned how to use Adobe, Celtex, other things we hadn't used before.
HD cameras.
Oh yeah, the
Didn't know
tripod
how to use that.
as well. We knew we knew the basics of a tripod, as in like you put a camera there, but we didn't know like.
Like,
I had to like put it up,
so then,
go, put it
by
down,
using
like,
that, having to do different angles such as low angles, medium close-ups. What else would you say? What else have
We've learned, well, we ain't learned how to use lighting because we didn't have the right equipment or the budget for it, but we learned how to take notice, and take notice of how and where we should
perhaps use
use
blinds to cover certain parts.
We also used like how to not put the camera facing into natural light, even though there wasn't much natural light because it was at night time. So we didn't have the camera straight into the light. So that didn't give us the poor quality. So we used the lighting to light up the characters. So that gave us better quality in lighting throughout the film.
And we've learnt to use software such as like Adobe Premiere and Encoder and stuff like that to edit the film. Remy
Made our own blogs as well.
Blogger as well.
With us, I learned how to write a good horror film. Because like before we didn't know what to write.
Yeah, that's quite true though, because we did learn how to.
Putting videos onto YouTube.
Yeah.
Editing.
Videos, yeah.
Especially editing, like, I've never used, what was it we used for editing? What was the thing called?
Adobe Premiere.
Yeah.
That's the Adobe Premiere. Still forgot the name.
Yeah. Thank you.